In previous videos, we have seen the right click and clipboard option. This is where you can cut, copy and paste. Over here, you have in the ribbon itself the clipboard options as well. So here you can cut, copy and paste. So this is cut with base point, normal cut. Then you have copy with base point, normal copy clip. And then you have many options for paste as block, paste as hyperlink, paste as original coordinates, and then paste special, which will be creating special paste. Now let's create a new drawing. To see this again with the, let me just select some details, for example this block, for example this array, and let's go to copy with base point. Let me select this base point over here, go to drawing 1, let me paste. Now I have the base point, I use the base point over here. One more thing which we can do is test file. Let me copy this group of circles, Control C, and then drawing 1, let me paste it at original coordinates. It will just paste it. If you're copying to the same file, if you're using the same file, you can just copy paste it in the same coordinates. Similar file, you can just copy paste in the same coordinates. Also, for example, you can cut, general cut, then original drawing, we can just paste and we'll be able to paste it. Also, we can use the same as paste as block. Here it will be pasted as a block. See, it has a block reference and it assigns it a name. And then you have paste other options as hyperlink or paste special. In paste special, you have picture, bitmap, AutoCAD, entities. You can just use some of these data. So going back to our original file, here you can also cut with base point. So let me object, for example, and then let me cut this with a base point. I will select 0, 0 as my base point. Then I go to drawing. What happens with cutting with base point is when you paste it, it will still give you the same base point. So it will not be like, and even you can just assign the insertion point 0, 0. So this is the benefit of using cutting with base point or copying with base point, that when you paste it, even if you're using as a normal paste, it will still ask you for the base for the same points. And over here, if you see, we have multiple blocks, more block details. So these are some of the benefits of using the clipboard commands. It's basically to copy, paste and move things across the file. Over here we have within the file, copy, move, mirror within the file to operate. If you want to across the file, then there is the clipboard. It's basically like any other clipboard in AutoCAD, in Excel, in Word, wherever you use clipboard commands, it's same over here. Obviously it's a drawing, so you're copying from a drawing, so you will paste it in a drawing.